Hey, what's up everybody? This is a new iPhone season. Again, I got all the new iPhones here in front of me. This is the iPhone 15, this is a Pro, and this is a Pro Max. Now let me open all the iPhones to show you guys what's inside. First, let's take a look at iPhone 15. There are 5 different colors for iPhone 15: blue, pink, yellow, green, and black. This one is a blue color. In my opinion, this blue is just really light. Compared to the white paper in the front, you guys can see this is just really light blue, whitish blue color. Even though the color is light, but it does give me a refreshing feeling after looking at this color. The interesting thing for iPhone 15, there's no action button. It still carries over the old style switch. You can from mute to unmute. And also there's new cables for all the new iPhones. It's USB Type-C to Type-C. And the most important part is the material of those charging cables has changed. Right now it's TPU material compared to previous PVC material. The new material for the cable is more flexible and reduce the damage rate. Inside the little pocket, there's instructions for eSIM, and of course, you're not gonna miss the Apple sticker. This is everything we have inside iPhone 15. This is iPhone 15 Pro. iPhone 15 Pro and also Pro Max, it has 4 different colors. There are nitro titanium, blue titanium, white titanium, which is this phone, and also black titanium. Those are surgical grade titanium material. You guys can see it has a really nice finishing looking. One of the biggest difference for iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 is the action button. The action button, it kind of acting like a quick access button. You can either choose the action while you set up the new phone, or you can go back to the setting to change that later. So there are silent mode, there is focus mode, you can choose don't disturb driving or sleeping. Camera mode, you can choose photo, selfie, video, portrait selfie, flashlight, voice memo, magnifier, shortcut, accessibility, or no action. So for myself, at this moment, I choose my action button for silent mode. Another difference I found out is the edges for iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max is much rounder than the iPhone 14 Pro or Pro Max. You can tell the screen curve up a little bit more, but you compare the back of the phone, it's more obvious. iPhone 14's edge is just more sharp and flat. So basically it's the same thing. This USB Type-C cable and the stickers in the box. Alright, let me just leave this in here. And the last one we have is iPhone 15 Pro Max. So this color is natural titanium. I would say this natural titanium is a little bit like a grayish color, but if you look at the side, it's definitely like natural titanium color. So a better comparison, let's see this white one and this natural titanium. One thing I feel the difference is iPhone 15 Pro Max feels lighter than the 14 Pro Max. I've been using the 14 Pro Max for 1 year. I can definitely feel a slight difference. The 15 Pro Max is lighter. So the weight for 15 Pro Max is 221 grams or 7.81 ounce. The iPhone 14 Pro Max is 240 grams or 8.47 ounce. So there is 19 grams difference. I feel the main reason is because material switch to titanium, and also the camera modules on 15 Pro Max is smaller compared to 14 Pro Max. Alright, this pretty much concludes this unboxing video. I showed you guys iPhone 15, 15 Pro, and the 15 Pro Max. Those 3 colors, they're all new colors to iPhone series. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment. And if you guys haven't liked this video, make sure you guys give a thumb up. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys do so. In the next video, I'm probably gonna show you guys the technical difference between the iPhone 15 Pro Max compared to the 14 Pro Max. Alright, this is it. I'll see you guys next time.